Welcome to the Great Ones episode. Oh, it feels so good to be back on YouTube. I mean, I was barely gone, not even 4 days. Anyways, today we're going to talk about wins versus losses. I really wanted to talk about this one. It's my favorite one to talk about. Why is this my favorite one to talk about? Because we all brag about our wins, right? But then when it comes to losses, no one wants to talk about losses and how big of an impact your losses could really have. And I'll give you an example. So back in June of last year, I was a 90% trader. I had the best month of last year was in June with the S&P 500. We hit its low and then it rebounded and did it rebound all the way into August? And I felt that I had the best month. Why? Because I was taking 90% win rate. I thought it was the greatest. I had 69 wins and only 7 losses. 69 wins and 7 losses. Obviously, anybody would feel like they're the greatest at that point when you're taking 69 wins and only 7 losses. Fantastic. But was it really? When we actually break down the numbers, was it really that much of a fantastic numbers? Absolutely not. And I'll tell you why. 69 wins, I was spending about $454 per contract. I was taking profits at $71 per contract, which comes out to 16% rate. So I was spending $454 to make 16%. Let's talk about my losses. 7 losses. I was spending about $232 per contract, and I was losing at $105 per contract, which comes out to 45% losing 45%. So I was taking winners at 16% and taking losses at 45%. Now just imagine if I had 69 losses and 7 wins instead, like a lot of other traders do out there, and you're taking profits at 16%, but you can let your losers right all the way down to 45%. Holy, you've been there. You're still probably doing that right now. You're still cutting those wins at 15 to 20%, and you're holding those losers all the way to 60%, 70%. You know it. Oh, you know it. So you got to change that, right? So I decided that I was going to change that. I wanted to be the greatest at taking losses. And believe me, am I going to change that? So March 7th, this is March 7th today. From the 1st to the 7th, I have taken 12 wins and 24 losses. 24 losses? What? Oh yeah. And I'm actually proud of it. Oh, I'm proud of it. You want to know why I'm so proud of it? Because my 24 losses, I'm taking my losses at 20% cut. 24 losses, and I'm cutting them at 20%. My winners, my 12 winners, is 53%. I'm taking profits around 53%, up from 16% to 53%, down from 45% to 20%. My average contract that I spend right now on my winners is $43, and I'm taking profits at $23 per contract. My average losers is $41 per contract, and I'm taking losses at $8 per contract. A lot different than the 105. Why? Because I'm spending a lot less money on my contracts. I could add more contracts. I could get more contracts this way. Instead of spending thousands of dollars to make $70 or 16%, I'm spending $43 per contract. So if I get 10, I'm spending $430 per trade, and I'm making $230 with a 53% win rate. I'll take it. Oh, I'll take it. So I'm profitable. Even though my losses are more than my wins, I am profitable. Why? Because I know how to cut my losses. If my TA is wrong, I cut it. There's no ifs and buts about it. There's no emotions when it comes to that. No, I cut it. And if my winners are winning, I let it ride. I let it ride. And we're going to talk more about this in the upcoming episodes. Till then, stay tuned. Have a good one.